Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I have a new plant in my garden. It's called a Martagon Lily, and it's this plant right here. And this lily, well, it comes from the mountains of France. What's special about this lily is you can plant it once and forget about it. It's going to make larger and larger stands of lilies. Unlike the oriental lilies, you have to divide them up and separate them every couple of years. Not with the Martagon lily. So what's happened now is the lily is done blooming, and I want to show you the important point of pruning your Martagon lily. Once it finishes blooming, you're going to cut off the dead flowers, but do not remove the leaves and the tall stem until the entire thing turns yellow in the fall. The reason is all those green leaves are making next year's flower bulb. So I'm going to cut off the faded flowers, and I cut it off, but I left all the leaves and the long stem. They're going to stay green until the end of summer. When all those leaves are yellow, then I can cut that lily back to the ground. I'm actually going to, when they turn yellow, I will mark where that is so I don't dig it up in the spring when I'm rummaging around. So this Martagon lily, it's a really, really great lily because you don't have to dig it up and divide it. But the mistake that people make is when it's done blooming, they tend to cut it down. And you're not supposed to leave all those green stems. That's going to make next year's bloom. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.